Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Luxury Scent Box. This is a $15 a month monthly fragrance subscription for both men and women. You fill out a short survey and they recommend fragrances to you. And then you can choose some that you want to get sent. So let's see what I have this month. There's a bunch of black little worms in there to protect it. There's some cards on top, so we're going to take a look at those first. This is a recommended scent of the month, Tokyo Milk. Those are cool little bottles, I like that. Very cool, and then it gives you fragrance notes for all three of them. Next up, thank you for being a member. Things to do and know. Now you're ready to take your luxury scent box when you're traveling. They do say that this is one of the largest travel size fragrance subscriptions, so that's really cool that you can take them with you in your carry-on. Build your own fragrance calendar for the months to come. Your box shipped 2 to 7 days from your billing. You can rate your fragrances. Cool. And then the last one is instructions on how to use it. So to open and close, you just twist it to open, twist to close, and start spraying. To replace it, you just pop it out. So that seems simple enough. They also give you a little travel case here. That's cute. And I have 2 fragrances. I did tell them some of the ones that I like, so I'm very curious to see what they picked for me. This is a cool container. Very nice. So you twist it, and it just pops up, and then you could spray it. And then you also twist it to close. And if you want to switch them out, you just lift it right out. That's super easy. Viva La Juicy by Juicy Couture. Yeah, and this is definitely a nice size bottle. And I have smelled this before. I actually am a big fan of the Juicy fragrances, so I have that one. I'm going to put that back in there. We'll see what the other one is. So I did get 2 containers. They look a little different. Very cute. I think these come in a variety of different colors too. So again, just twist it, pop it out, and let's see what this one is. This one is called Happy Moments. I have not smelled this one before, so I'm going to go ahead and spray it and see what it smells like. Yeah, that definitely smells good. I feel like these would last, for me at least a month, if not longer. I used to wear a lot of perfume, but it's, as you know, very expensive to buy some of the designer bigger fragrances. So I like this idea that you can get a couple a month and then you just have a variety with you. Very cool, and I love those containers. Those are very nice. So if you guys are interested in signing up, I do have a promo code. If you enter Mama Mittens on their website, that saves you 35% on your subscription. So thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.